Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a hat. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the structure of the hat. Yeah, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Our hat is almost done. Now let's learn the color's name. Purple color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color. At first we are using the purple color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.